Hey guys, Adam with Workman Firearms here. In today's video, we are going to be doing a disassembly and reassembly of the Sig Sauer P320 full size. So let's get this bad Larry back to the bench and get her taken apart. So now that we're back at the bench, guys, we're going to begin the disassembly of our full-size Sig P320. To begin the disassembly process, we're going to confirm our firearm is clear. So we're going to drop that magazine, set it off to the side, rack the slide to the rear, physically and visually inspect the chamber as well as the mag well, and just do a double check. Now we know that our firearm is clear. We will leave the slide rack back there, locked back, and then we're going to take our takedown lever. We're going to flip it counterclockwise into the 6 o'clock position. And it'll kind of lock into place there, and then from there we can take our slide release, push it down into the frame, and slide the frame all the way off the firearm like so. And there our frame is as broken down as we want it to be. And now we'll get to our slide here. We're going to compress that recoil spring towards the front of the slide, and then it'll come right out just like that. And then from there we could push on the bottom of our barrel up. Push up on the barrel and out, and it'll slide right out of the slide, and that's as far as we want the slide broken out to be. So now our firearm is disassembled. We can clean and lube it as needed, or if we're going to be replacing our FCU, we can do that. That's the fire control unit in here, which we're going to make another video on how to do that. Or if you want to replace your sights or whatnot, you can also do that when it's broken down into this configuration here. From here, we will begin our reassembly process. Once the firearm is clean and lubed, we want our barrel facing, the flat part of the barrel facing down towards the table while our slide is still upside down. We're going to take that barrel and put it into the slide forward towards the front of the slide, and then push it back, and it'll lock right into place there. And then we want to take our recoil spring with the thinner part of the recoil spring facing the front of the firearm. The thicker part with the hole in it will be facing the rear part of the slide there. So we're going to take it and start in the front, kind of keep it at an angle, and then compress that spring and let it catch right on the barrel. It'll have a little notch to sit in right on the barrel there. From there, our slide is reassembled. Now I want to take that slide and get it onto our frame. To get the slide onto the frame here, you want to start all the way at the front of the frame, and you have your rails you want it to ride along. Start at the front, slide it all the way back, continue sliding that slide back, and then lock that slide to the rear. It might be kind of hard, kind of make sure you're sliding back nice and smooth. Once you lock that with the slide lock, you can then take that takedown lever and push it counterclockwise back up, and it's going to flip right back into place for you, just like that. And then from there, we can release the slide lock and make sure that the firearm is back together. Everything's nice and tight. That slide is functioning, and the trigger is pulling and resetting for us. Our firearm is all back together. All right, thanks for watching the disassembly and reassembly of our full-size Sig P320.